it's Thereysa. I'm going on a 2-day trip with my cat, Gingiandluna. I'm gonna show you everything that I packed for my 2 cats for their hotel stay, but also the pet event that we're gonna go to. As always, there's a timestamp below if you need them, and let's get into it. Let's start with their litter box situation. I'm gonna bring these 2 portable cat litter boxes, and she just went inside. Good job, Luna. Thank you for demonstrating how this is gonna work. Don't poop in there. Don't poop in there. So I'm gonna be bringing this one, which is a covered one, but I can also squish it down to make more space for when they're in the car. This ideally is going to stay in the hotel. I'm not bringing it with me, but it's just nice to have. And then this one, I'm going to bring with me while we're at the pet event because I'm obviously gonna need to have them go to the bathroom somehow. And this one's nice because even with litter inside, you can compact it like this. And then this is how big it's gonna be, obviously with litter inside. And hopefully I can just bring into the girls' bathroom and like have them potty if they need to every couple hours or so. This will be the first time I use this covered one, but I'm really excited for it because they like to kick their litter everywhere, and I think this is gonna help really contain that in there as opposed to this one where in the past when I took it camping, they kind of like kick it everywhere, which was a little bit annoying and a little bit of a mess. Before we go, I'm just gonna fill this up with litter. I haven't tried this litter before, so we're gonna use this one. It looks like it's a good clumping litter, but it's not clay. So it's going to help with the tracking, which I really don't want to deal with. And they come in 2 bricks like this. This one is the pea husk. I'm gonna leave this out for them so they can smell it and hopefully use it as their litter box before we go. There is plenty of litter. For 2 days, this is gonna be more than enough. This open for them for the rest of the week until we leave, just so they can kind of get comfortable with it. I purposely didn't wash this from last time, just so it could smell like their litter. I used it recently and they used it for like a day, like it's fine, but just so that it smells like them. But when I get home, I'm gonna wash it for sure. Another reason why I wanted to bring this one is this nice little pocket where I can bring their poop bags. And then I'm also gonna be bringing their wet wipes. I love this wet wipe. It is safe for pets and humans, so it's gonna be used for all of us if needed. And I'm also just gonna pop this right over here. I don't use a scoop. I actually just use the poop bag with my hands and grab like the waste out of here. I think it's much easier than to bring a scoop and then have to bag the scoop because it's dirty and all the things. It's just easier. Next, a cat stroller. So this 2-day event is the Canada Pet Expo. So I'm gonna be bringing my cats and pushing them around because I had a cat backpack last time and it just didn't work and I only brought one of my cats. It wasn't ideal for this type of event. I saw others with strollers and I was like, I need that. And I love this stroller because it's a hit of a button and it collapses. And then when you hit the button again, you just step on the bottom and then you pull it up and it just pops up. It is so easy to set up. So that's why I chose that one to travel with me. It's just gonna be easier to load and unload in the car. I really love this stroller. And if you wanna watch a full review on this stroller, you can watch it here. And I'm gonna be bringing my cat's blanket. It smells like them. They use it all the time. And I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the stroller. That way it smells like them and they're more comfortable, especially in a new environment they've never been with tons of people. Although my cat stroller already smells like them and Luna's currently in her cat stroller right now. So the stroller already smells like them. And although that I'm gonna be bringing the cat stroller, I will need to use something to get them from the car to the hotel. So I am gonna be bringing their cat backpack. This one actually fits both of my cats. My cats are 9 and 11 pounds and they love each other. So they just usually snuggle up together. Whenever I take them to the vet, I just take the backpack with both of them inside and they don't mind it. They like being together. They love each other. So same thing, it already smells like them. Like whenever Gingy feels anxious, he actually goes to his backpack. Like when we're at the vet, he will literally fight to get into the backpack because he feels so comfortable and safe in here. I actually leave this out in my living room for them to kind of use as a bed whenever they please. So it already smells like them. They're really comfortable with it. Next is their boob coop. This one is gonna be for the car because it's significantly bigger than the backpack and it's compactable, which is really nice. But when you unpack it, it's super sturdy. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Since the drive is going to be like 45 minutes to an hour to get there, I thought something bigger would be a little bit more comfortable for them for the drive. And this one's really, really sturdy to the point where I can literally stack stuff on top of it, which will be really good for space. And you can take the top and you can roll it upwards like this. And there's a nice little Velcro on top where you can tape it up. So this top part can stay open. You just tape that together, voila. Okay, so to set this up, we have to press this part down. The back one as well, there you go. And then the top part, just press it, there you go. And you can zip the top up, which is nice too. And that's how I'm gonna reach this one, there we go. This is super sturdy. It could probably support my entire body. So we usually would just put stuff on top of it, like their backpack, for example, and anything else, we could pop it in here. And it has this nice little mat that opens up, and it has a Velcro on the bottom as well. You just place it in here and the Velcro is on the bottom. And this has got like a nice little surface they can sleep in. But I will be bringing their blanket that smells like them already and placing this inside. I think they will like this a lot more, and it just adds like extra coziness to it. And before we leave, I'm actually going to leave this out for them so they can hang out in here and lay in here and feel even more comfortable having their smell in here. Also, this side can also be unzipped and rolled up, which is really nice. So if I want to use this inside the hotel, I could. I'm probably just gonna leave it in the car though, honestly. And the same thing is on the other side. You can open up the other side as well, and then it becomes like a nice little bed. And inside there is 2 harness clips, which is so useful since I have 2 cats. So when they're in the car, you can have them in a harness and then clip them in here and have either all of it open or have it all closed. But then when you're opening this up, they can't like book it and run away. If that's something that your cat does, this would be useful. I probably won't need this. I don't think I'm gonna harness them while we're driving there and driving back. They don't book it away from me though, so like I'm not really worried about that. I just love that there's 1 and 2. So this is gonna be the perfect setup for the car. They also have a strap for when this was condensed, but also when it's not, you can clip these guys in and then you can carry it this way. But like I said, I'm probably gonna just leave it in the car. I mainly wanted to bring this one because it's so big, so they'll be a lot more comfortable in here and they're not gonna be fighting for space in the backpack either. And I don't wanna bring 2 backpacks, but this is just gonna be so much more comfortable and this would be nice and easy. But like you can see, it's not heavy. I can literally lift it with my 2 thumbs. So super light for how high quality this is. And I'm just gonna leave this here for several days for them to kind of hang out and enjoy the space until we leave. I'm essentially letting them use it as a bed. On top of the strap, there's also 2 handles right here. And again, super comfortable to use. Oh, and the top also opens up as well. And you can roll it up here if you want that. But anyways, like I said, I'm probably gonna keep this thing entirely closed so they can be free roam inside here while we're in the car driving. And for cat harnesses, I'm bringing 2 different sets for 2 different days. I think these are my like most used harness because I like them to match. They become little construction workers and they're so cute. But I like that it's bright orange, so I can spot them from a mile away, but I just like that they're matching. And this one, I like it when they're light pink and light blue, so people don't have to ask me, is it a he or is it a she? Like they'll just know by the colors. And this one I always use for like cherry blossom shoots because it's the perfect color. You can see how well used these are. They're just full of hair right now. And don't worry, I'm gonna link everything that I use in the description below. Now with their food, I'm gonna keep it super simple with just wet food. These are going to be for Gingy because he needs about 1.5 of these Roz cans. These are the 5.5 ounce cans. And then I just brought these little ones so I can mix and match, and he also really likes these. So these ones are going to be for Gingy. And for Luna, she's actually on a diet, but also there's going to be so much food there. Like every single time we go to a pet event, they want to like feed my cats. But Gingy won't eat when we're in a setting that he's not familiar with. So only Luna is actually going to eat. Plus she's on a massive diet. So I just have her open farm turkey recipe. These are the 2.8 ounce cans. She honestly doesn't need more than this, but I know for a fact everyone's gonna want to try and feed her. Like she's gonna do all the tricks for them, and she's probably not even gonna need dinner when we get back. And then of course I have 2 non-slip plates. I'm gonna bubble wrap this or put it in a blanket or something because I don't want them to break. And then a spoon. And then I also have these 2 bowls just in case there's no way to like wash it. I'll have additional bowls. And then I also have a big bowl for water. And these ones I've had for like 5 years. These are just from the dollar store. And these ones and the spoon, they're just from Amazon. I love them. They're so pretty. And Luna has asthma, so I will be bringing her inhaler with me as well. I'm just gonna be bringing their toys. This one is Gingy's favorite right now. It's an emu feather. It's actually the same brand as that like lounger thing, but I can push this down so it becomes a compact wand, which is gonna be super useful for this event. And then I'm bringing another one just in case like Luna wants another one to play with. And I might throw in some additional toys for them as well. And we can't forget about a cat scratcher. This is my smallest cat scratcher. You can tell it's well loved. It already smells like them, so it's gonna make them feel really comfortable. And it also has like a little toy on it. This one is just from Pet Safe. And then this one right here is from Purrs. This is also like a scratch mat, but also a little lounger. I think I'm gonna bring this too. They love rolling around in it. It smells like them. Again, that's gonna make them feel really comfortable. So I think this on top of the stroller and the backpack in the hotel room is gonna make them feel a lot more comfortable, especially because we're gonna be staying in the hotel overnight. Although I've taken my cats to many different places overnight and they're perfectly fine as long as like I'm there, they do not mind at all. Like I probably wouldn't want to just like leave them in the hotel by themselves, but I know that they would be okay if I did. This will be my first time bringing Luna out to an event. And lastly, I have my business cards, and then I also have Gingiandluna stickers. They're super cute. I'm just gonna hand these out to whoever wants them, but always good to have these. And I'm just gonna keep these in the stroller so I can easily hand them out. And I think that's everything that I'm bringing. I might bring like some extra towels and stuff for the stroller, but I think that's about it. I have linked everything that I mentioned in the description below, and I'll put it in the pinned comments as well. In case you're interested in any of these things, if you have any questions, let me know. If you want me to do a full honest review on any of these products, let me know as well. I do have a lot of honest full reviews of some of these products already, so if you're interested in that, I'll link my playlist up here for you. I've also made a video on what I do with my cats when I go traveling without them, like if they're staying home. So if you want to watch that as well, I do have a full video here where I break down literally everything in detail. I hope that this was helpful for your cat's next trip. Thank you so much for watching, and please give me a like and a subscribe for more videos like this. Give your cat a kiss for me. Bye.